Hi, Jim Hardy here, your dedicated real estate agent. Today, let's demystify the Buyer Representation and Broker Compensation Agreement, or BRBC, especially with the new changes coming in August. Starting in August, the NAR settlement requires buyers to be in a contract with an agent to physically preview homes. This is to ensure clarity and transparency in the home buying process. The BRBC is crucial for setting clear expectations between you, the buyer, and me, your agent. It's a 7-page document designed to protect and inform both parties. You might worry about being locked into a contract with someone. The BRBC outlines whether our agreement is exclusive or non-exclusive. When we first meet, we'll discuss a timeline that you feel comfortable with. It's important to find an agent who meets your needs. I'm here to make sure we're a good fit before committing. With the new rules, open houses will pose new challenges. You'll be asked if you have representation and may need to sign in with your agent's details. If unrepresented, you'll need to sign an open house non-disclosure to preview the home unrepresented. Remember, the agent at the house represents the seller's interest unless you agree to a limited or full representation agreement. In California, the maximum duration for a buyer representation agreement is 3 months. This ensures you're not tied down for too long. By understanding these key points, we ensure a smooth and successful property search. Remember, the whole reason an agent holds an open house is to find a buyer for that house, and they must follow the NAR settlement rules and regulations. The compensation agreement is now separate. We'll discuss my commission and how it's paid. If you have any questions or want to discuss this further, feel free to reach out. Happy house hunting. And remember to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. And don't hesitate to contact me for a free consultation today. Thanks. Bye.